Ayodhya rejoiced, for the coronation of Prince Rama was about to begin.
If Rama becomes king, Bharata will remain in his shadow forever.
Influenced by Manthara's words, Queen Kaikeyi entered the chamber of anger. My beloved Kaikeyi, tell me your wish. I swear upon Rama, I shall fulfill it. Years earlier, in battle, Kaikeyi had saved Dasharatha's life. Grateful, he had granted her 2 boons to be claimed whenever she wished.
My first boon, let Bharata be crowned king of Ayodhya. My second boon, send Rama to the forest for 14 years.
The king who stood helpless before his own promise. Ask for my life, Kaikeyi, but do not ask me to part from Rama.
To protect his father's honor, Rama accepted exile without hesitation. Thus began the journey that would become the Ramayana.